Hey, green thumbs! Today, I'm diving into the future of gardening, AI-powered garden design and planning. Imagine transforming your backyard into a lush, personalized paradise with just a few taps on your phone. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's closer to reality than you think. First up, let's talk about the DreamZar app. This nifty tool uses AI to generate landscaping ideas and personalized garden layouts from a photo of your yard. Simply snap a pic, and DreamZar suggests plant combinations suited to your local environment. With over 2,000 plant options, ground covers, and hardscape features, you can visualize a garden tailored to your needs. Whether you're a home gardener or a professional landscaper, this app is a game changer. Next, we have the Avanade Intelligent Garden. Developed with the Royal Horticultural Society, it uses sensors to create a digital twin of your garden. This virtual model, powered by real-time data like soil moisture, temperature, and air quality, helps you track changes and predict future conditions. Now, let's dive into smart irrigation. The Aglantis Smart Irrigation System automates water pump management and monitors sunlight, temperature, and humidity. It reduces labor and water waste, and future AI enhancements aim for energy conservation and crop selection. Check out Frosty Vineyards in California. They implemented an AI irrigation system that slashed water consumption by 30% and boosted grape yields. Switching gears to plant health, there's the open-source Plant Health Monitoring Project. Using computer vision and deep learning, this system detects and classifies diseases from images, providing accurate real-time diagnostics. It's like having a plant doctor in your pocket. So there you have it. AI is revolutionizing gardening, making it smarter, more efficient, and incredibly personalized. Ready to embrace the future of gardening? Let me know in the comments below. Happy gardening!